Welcome back to HobbyTinker. Everybody has hobbies. Today, we're gonna be doing some things, right? It's kind of bright in here. Anyways, I just got back from the gym, getting me some good food, and some barbacoa, chicken, rice. I don't have like no meal plan or nothing. I knew I was forgetting something. Cheese, please. Any diet recommendations? I'm all ears. I don't actually have a diet. I don't know what my macros should be. I just kind of go with the flow. I'm not telling you that's a good thing, but that's what I do. I'm just going with the flow. But anyways, today was a good day. Went to work about 6 a.m. I had a nice little hill run today. Went to Truckee, Reno, came back. Then I just went to the gym, came from the gym, went to the gym a couple hours. Did some chest, some tries, a little bit of shoulders, jump rope, ab work, and then ran a mile before they closed at 7. But yeah, so now we're here at the house, and I need to clean up my mess. Today, we're about to take a look at something nice. Go ahead and go over this car build that I got in the garage that I'm slacking on that I need to get done. If you're wondering why I have these peep joints, it was on sale, buy one get one free. They didn't have another flavor that I liked, so I got the household chocolate flavor just in case people want it. Yeah. But me personally, we're gonna put in some almond milk. I don't know if that's too much or not. Has a weird aftertaste, but the almond milk helps out a little bit. Hey, question. Am I the only one who likes Peeps on Easter? Oh, okay. Now let's get it. And hold on. So here it is. This is my 1979 Chevy El Camino SS. Feel me? It's a G body. It's the last year of the pointed snout in the front. I have no complaints for what I purchased. What I got, the cost to value, I have no complaints. I could probably resell this as it is and at least make my money back, but that's not the goal. The goal is to get this up and running because I want to build my first car. My goals with the car as soon as possible is to obviously get it running and in a cool shape, like, you know, interior, good to go. I don't care about putting AC in right away. Don't really care about paint. If I can at least get all the moldings, some new rollers, interior good to go, engine and tranny straight, and a fuel, fuel system, then I'll be pretty good. I'll say my ultimate goal with this car after getting it running is I have 2 or 3 directions I do want to take it. It might live the first of its life as a show car, as far as paint real nice, maybe some type of 3-piece rim or Dayton interior to the T, spotless. But I know going that route would be the most expensive cosmetically, and just probably most expensive altogether as far as just the cost to get everything like to the T, clean, refreshing the whole motor, all that type of stuff. Second is a burnout master, you feel me? Something that can really haul, which would maybe go not NA, probably something turbo. So that'll be a lot of engine work. Transmission could probably handle enough power to get this down the line, like coils and shocks and brakes and all that good stuff. Lastly would be setting it up like a, oh, what is that called? Not a circle track car, but let me call you right back. I'm knocking out this little video real quick. Okay. Love you. I love you. Bye. That was my wife. I can't think of the name. I'm gonna just be ranting on for a long time. But yeah, so either some type of show car, something speed-wise, as far as like for drag racing, burnouts, some type of time attack vehicle, maybe like 400 to 500 to the wheels, something like that. You know, that's ideal because, you know, we all got a little need for speed in us. So, you know, that's always a plus. I've asked on my socials, what would you do to start? Like if you're building a car, where would you start at? You can comment below what you would physically, where you would start at with a car. I know most people want to start with, let's get the engine running. Don't have an engine. Don't have an engine here. Don't have an engine in there. Don't have an engine. I have engine hoists and stuff like that in other locations that I could use, but I don't have an engine. So with what I have, my goal is to tidy this all up as much as I can before needing to transport it to different places to get bigger jobs done. So I had the idea of starting with simple stuff like, and maybe it's not simple, but compared to engine work, stuff like that, cleaning out the cabin area. I have some rust holes on the passenger side, not really on the driver's side, but getting it all tidied up, cleaned out, get to YouTube University, learn how to spot weld to cover up the rust spots in there, then dyno mat the whole interior, go grab some door panels, grab a battery, maybe rework the windows because these are electric windows, you know, just tidy little stuff, see what I could do. As far as the outside goes, I really don't know how to do body work yet. Doesn't really need much body work. I think I bought good bones as far as the body goes. I haven't actually got this up on a lift, so I haven't really got to see underneath, but I did just buy a jack. I need to get some jack stands because I do want to attack the wheels, but I just be mainly because I have a dead wheel on the other side that I need to get a new tire for. Potentially attack things like shocks, brakes, fuel system. I have a fuel tank out here, but I might grab a new one, get that all set up. Yeah, so just all the little stuff that I can do, then eventually wherever I'm at financially and opportunity-wise, after getting this stuff done, it'll either be, oh, I got an engine ready to go, I can go grab me an engine, or maybe go get the interior done, just to have that all inside all knocked out and just ready to get stuff dropped in, set up and go. Like I said, this is my first build, so I don't have much of a know-how. I have an idea and I have the basic mechanics and thought process on engineering of how things work and what should be done or could be done with the tools that I have, and maybe a small budget before getting into the bigger budget items like weather stripping. Windows are all good. Maybe grabbing some more chrome siding, chrome trim, stuff like that. So, you know, this is it. This is the baby, 79 El Camino SS. This is going to be, it's gonna be a nice, fun ride. I'll try to document every step of the way if I can. And I'm gonna be asking you guys for help as much as possible. You know, other people that's been building on cars. I mean, I watch a lot of YouTube videos just, you know, supporting and getting inspiration. So this is gonna be an awesome journey for me and hopefully for you guys if I can present it the right way. Thank you for tuning in. Again, this is HobbyTinker. Everybody has hobbies. Yeah. Have a good day. I'm just never satisfied.